So before I proceed, I also appreciate my leader in Cape Coast for giving me the opportunity to present this evening. So what is New Life Super Glue? New Life Super Glue is a liquid multipurpose agricultural product made by New Life International, and it is often called a wonder fertilizer because it helps both plants and animals. And then Super Glue is derived from 100% organic and natural ingredients, sourced like poultry droppings and seabed guano. And it also contains another active ingredient called ethoxylated acrophenol and polyxylosine. Now, but there's something unique about New Life Super Glue that these products work as a surfactant and adjuvant, which means it reduces water surface tension, making water wetter so it can spread and penetrate into the soil, plants, and animal. And then Super Glue is also rich in micronutrients and macronutrients because the way we human beings, we have some certain nutrients that for us to be able to grow well, we need some certain nutrients like all these phosphorus. So this ingredient also contain all these minerals. That's why we call it micronutrient and macronutrients like phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and others. And this is what makes New Life Super Glue to be so very special. And another thing that makes Super Glue to be so wonderful is that it is very safe and it is economical. Understand? It doesn't harm the body system. It's very, very environment. Like it doesn't affect the body system just like other chemicals. You see, if you want to apply other chemicals, you have to cover your nose before you can apply it. But when it comes to Super Glue, it doesn't affect human being. It's very safe to use. And then it is eco-friendly, understand, which means it doesn't pollute the land. It doesn't affect the soil. Anybody can use it. So another specialty about Super Glue is that it is very versatile, which means you can use it for any type of crops, being vegetables, cocoa, cashew, fruits, legumes, flower, garden. Anybody can use it as long as you are a farmer. Anybody, anything you are planting, you can use it for it, and there will not be any side effect. So that's why it is versatile. Now, New Life Super Glue is a unique product because it combines the power of fertilizer, water optimizer, and food booster in one product, whereas other fertilizer and feed supplements usually work only in one area. Understand? Because New Life Super Glue is a multi-purpose product. It can work for farm, it can work for animal, it can work for a lot of things. Understand? But other fertilizer is only focused in one area. That's why you can see the same fertilizer that they are using to. There are some fertilizer that you can only use to spray maize. There are some fertilizer that you can only use it to spray cashew. But when it comes to Super Glue, you can use it for any type of farm that you are into. Now, what are the functions of Super Glue? Well, Super Glue have a lot of benefits for farms. Number one, it increases crop yield and overall harvest quality. When you meet anybody that has used Super Glue before, the first thing they will tell you, the first testimony they will tell you is about the way it has really helped to increase the crop yield, and then for them to get quality products. Even these people that used to plant cocoa, yam, they will tell you that the cocoa is very, very big. The seed it's made the seed to be very big, and then they get double of what they normally get if they use ordinary chemicals. And another function is that it improves plant health and resistance to disease. That's not because the way we human beings also have disease that normally affect us. All these plants also have disease like fungal disease, bacterial infection, and then sometimes you see black spots on the leaves. All these things are disease, rotting roots. So when you use Super Glue on your farm, it makes the plant to be able to resist from all this kind of disease. And then number three, it also helps in controlling pest-related stress. What does it mean? You see, when a plant is very healthy, the plant will be able to resist any attack from insects. And then even though the insect was able to attack the plant, it's able to recover faster. You understand? But when you apply Super Glue on farms, it makes this to be healthier so that it can be able to tolerate insect attack and then be able to recover very fast. And then number four, it enhances soil texture and fertility. In what aspect? Because you see, most of these other chemicals outside there, if you apply it on your farm, let's say you have been applying it for like some times and you stop applying it, if you plant on that same farm, you may not get what you are expecting from it. But when it comes to Super Glue, if you apply Super Glue for some certain times and you don't apply it, you stop applying it, you can still plant on that same farm, on that same land, and you will still get quality products from the same land. So because as you are applying the Super Glue